Okay, hi everybody.
Hello.
We are excited today. We're going to be doing some gardening.
Yeah, we
Have our tools.
we like to garden, and so we're going to show
Well,
you.
sort of.
Well, that's
gonna-
right. So
We're going to show you how we garden.
so
we're
come
gonna-
with us.
Okay, hopefully you can see our garden okay. Just going to prop this up. That's perfect. Okay, rotate your device. Maybe you turn it up. Oh, there we go. It's good. It's
Okay, there we go.
So we're going to show you what we do in our garden.
So we have
We have our
tools.
garden boxes.
Here's
Here's
our
our tool. We have tools. Let's see if we use it.
watering
Okay.
can.
So, this is what we like to garden with. Strawberries.
So there we go. That's in there.
What else do we have?
Yum yum. Let's see what we have here. Let's
Pull it up.
see. Oh, just a minute. Oh, look at bananas. We have bananas in our garden. Want one?
Sure.
Yum yum. Okay. What else do we have? Let's see here. See, it's interesting. Listen. We have music while we garden too. Oh, and blueberries.
My mouth still has banana.
This
This is one of my favorites. It is a whole granola mix in our garden.
We've got almonds. No. Almonds and cranberries. We don't use a lot of water. Even yogurt. And we even have yogurt in our garden.
So,
All right.
this is the way we like to garden.
That
We
is
thought
the
we'd-
only way.
Share that with you today. Oh, well,
So what do you garden and what's in your garden?
thanks for watching us today. And please tell us what you garden and what you're growing right now. I'm sure it might be just as good, if not better, than what we're gardening. Only a little bit more work. Thanks, ladies and everyone, ladies and men, for
And
watching.
remember,
you can do this too.